Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right tools and acting immediately. Use a spring bar tool and a soft cloth. This prevents scratches. First, examine the lug width in millimeters and check the spring bars for rust or bend so you know if parts need replacing. Then, flip the watch face down on the cloth and compress the spring bar inward while easing the strap free. Work slowly to avoid snapping the bar. Once done, set components in order for the next phase. Now you move into repair and restoration. For a leather strap, gently clean with mild soap and a damp cloth, dry thoroughly, and apply a leather conditioner. This restores flexibility and slows future cracking. For metal bracelets, push out pins or screws to remove damaged links and swap in replacements. Make sure you keep link orientation consistent. Throughout, use new spring bars sized to the lug width in millimeters so the strap will reattach securely. Make adjustments incrementally to maintain fit and alignment. Finish by reattaching the strap and confirming security. Position the spring bar in the strap end, compress it, and guide one end into the lug hole, then align and release the opposite side until you hear or feel a click, indicating it's seated. Put the watch on and wear it for 10 to 15 minutes to detect any rubbing, shifting, or looseness. If it moves or makes noise, make sure the bars are fully seated. Swap in new spring bars or resize links if the strap still shifts. This fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.